Sitting there in this bed, thinking about the times we spent. Boy, I really love you, but you don't seem to care. Tell me. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see by the title, today I'm back with another cooking video. I'm gonna be doing some curry chicken with dumpling and mashed and potatoes, guys. So please stay tuned for the rest of the video, guys. You might not see me throughout this video. You might just mostly see the food and stuff, but I'm just here to say, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to tell a friend about my channel. And if you're new, welcome to the Life Gang, guys. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. So guys, so far I have the chicken breast thawing out. It's almost So guys, what I'm showing you here is I normally burn my curry before I put the chicken in. So I normally add the curry with the oil and let it burn for a while. Cause I don't know, I feel it makes the chicken taste better. The curry chicken taste better. I don't know if it's only me that do that. But yeah guys, that's basically what I was doing. And as you can see, I'm showing you the curry burning in the pot. So yeah, I do that first and then after that I add the chicken. So yeah. Again, for right here guys, you might see me I know some people when they cook, they put the seasoning in first and then they put the chicken, but for me, I separate the chicken from the seasoning and put it into the pot, let it fry for a while, and then afterwards I usually just like make the seasoning, like, you know, when you're gonna add the water, I like season it up a little bit more and then I add it in the pot afterwards, after my chicken is you know, fried to an extent, then I let it steam for a while. So that's just me, you know guys, everyone cook different. So guys, and I'm finished. So I'm about to share my brother and sister's food. Look at that. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. You're still in love with me, like the way you claim to be. Am I still your babe?